How to use an EBT card on Uber Eats. What we want to do is just first load up the Uber Eats app. Here we will be taken to the home screen. What we want to do is click on account in the bottom right corner, and then here you should see an option called wallet. Simply click on wallet. Now here you will be able to see your Uber Cash, and the one section that we want to focus on is the payment methods section. So click on add payment method, and here you should be able to see the EBT card option or Snap card option. Now if you don't see it yet, it means that it's not yet implemented with Uber Eats. However, they are saying that they will add it soon. So here in my current location I cannot use it, but here you might be able to find the EBT card option yourself. And that's basically how you do it. You will need to type out the EBT card number here, and it will be used as a payment method. So I hope this helps. Hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.